A day at the office. Welcome to the office. It's a busy place where people work together. Let's see what they do all day. This is Sarah, the secretary. The phone is ringing, and she picks it up with a cheerful hello. She helps everyone who calls. Sarah has a big desk with many things on it. She has colorful pens, sharp pencils, and a stack of paper to write on. Sometimes, she needs to make copies of important papers. She uses a big machine called a photocopier. Whir, click, clack. Out comes a new page. In another room is the boss, Mr. Thompson. He is looking at some important papers called documents. Mr. Thompson needs to sign a document. He uses a special pen to write his name. This makes the paper official. The office has big bookshelves filled with books. These books have lots of information that helps everyone do their work. Sometimes, the employees get thirsty. They go to the water cooler to get a nice, cool drink of water. At the end of the day, it's time to go home. Everyone says goodbye. See you tomorrow, says Sarah. The office is quiet now, but it will be a busy place again tomorrow. There are many different kinds of offices, and they are all important places.